Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you how to create tables and how to do the modifications of a table. First you have to move to insert tab. In the insert tab you can see there's a group called tables. In tables group there's only one option is there, that is table. So by using this table option, there are several options that you can create a table. So I'm going to use the first option because that is the easiest way to create a table. When you move in the mouse point, you can see they are displaying a preview of the table. So this is the maximum number of columns and rows that you can use by using this option. So here I'm going to use a small table. 4 columns with 3 rows. Just click on here, then you can see the table. So when you select the table, you can see there's a new tab called Tables Tools, and under that tab Design and Layout, 2 tabs are there. First Design tab. By using Design tab, you can change the main style of the table like this. So they have already given predefined styles, so you can select any that you like. So I'm going to change plain table, and also you can add some colors to selected cells. Click on the shadings and select any color. Like this, you can add some colors to selected cells by using shadings option. And next one, borders group. Border style, I'll change border style, width and pen color red. So like this, you can change the border style. Another color and style. Like this, you can change border style, width and color by using this option. Right, so that's all about Design tab. You can change the table style by using any option like this, or you can add more colors, row and columns. You can select and change the color, border styles. So here I'm going to use the next option, that is Insert tab, Tables and Insert tab. By using this option, you can type the number of columns and rows that you need. Here I'll type 7 and rows we type 9. Likewise, you can type any value that you need as for columns and rows. After typing the value, just click on OK. So they have already created the table by using the value that I have typed there. So let's move to Layout tab. Here, in the Layout tab, you can see there's a group called Rows and Columns. By using Rows and Columns group, you can insert columns and rows, and also you can delete columns and rows. So first we'll delete some columns and rows in this table. So I want to delete this column. So first I select the column and then move the mouse pointer here and click delete column. And if you want to delete some rows, we'll select two rows, select, move here and delete rows. Again, just select the cell, delete rows. Select the cell, delete. Likewise, you can delete any number of columns and rows. Right. Now I'm going to insert some columns and rows to the table, but this table seems really small, so I want to change the size of the entire table. So I'm moving my mouse pointer here and drag, then entire table by using this option. And then I'm going to insert some columns and rows. Here I have already selected the first cell, and here I'm going to insert a row above, and I'm going to select this one, and I want to select a row below to the selected cell. Right, and here columns, right side, select this one and left side. Likewise, you can select many columns and rows. Left side. Likewise, you can select many columns and rows. Here, so I have a lot of columns and rows, so I'm going to delete few columns because I don't have enough space here. Likewise. Right, so you can easily insert columns, rows by using four options: rows above and below, columns right and left, and also delete columns and rows. And also delete table option is also there. So I'm going to delete this table. Just click on the table and click on delete and just delete table. Then they will automatically delete the table from your document. Right, and another thing is you can change the cell size. Here they have given height of the selected cell is 0.32. You can increase it like this, and the width also will decrease. Again, this one, the height, and increase the width. Likewise, here you can type any value, just type 0.5. Here 1. Likewise, you can type any value that you need, or else you can just move the mouse pointer top of the line and drag. Like this way also you can change the size of rows like this, or else you can use this option the cell size group, and you can type the value of height and width and change the height and width of a selected column or a row. Right, after that, alignment group, this one. Here you can change the alignment of selected cells. So here I type some words. So the same content. Right. And I'm going to change the size. Okay, now there are 9 alignment options available here. So first one is default one, align top left. That is the default one. So I just keep this one and select this, and second option, align, select this, and second option, align top center. So you can see the change. Third option, align top right. Okay, and we move here, align center left. This one, align center, align center right, align bottom left, bottom right. So you can clearly see the variations of alignments. Here, 3 alignments are there for top, and another 3 alignments are there for center, and 3 alignments are there for bottom. So those are the alignment options that we can change when we are creating tables and when we are considering about content of table. So you can use any kind of alignment that you prefer. Right, most probably the default alignment is align top left. If you want to change the alignment of your cell, then you can easily change. So I have changed the size because then you can easily identify the alignment options. So that there is another group called merge. So I'll select here 2 cells and click on this option, that is merge cells option. See what happens. I'll do it again, select 2 cells and merge cells. So merge the selected cells into one. See, we can join some selected cells and create one cell. So that is called merge. And here split cells. Split means it split the current cell into multiple cells. So now I'm in this cell. So I'm going to click on split cells. How many number of columns and rows that you want to split this cell? Yeah, I'll change 3 columns and 2 rows and click on OK. So you can see they have already split this one cell into 3 columns and 2 rows. Likewise, you can split cells. We will do another example. 4 columns and 2 rows, like this. So you can use these 2 options, merge cells. You can join some cells by using merge cells, and split cells. You can split one cell into several columns and rows by using this object. And split table. So I'll click here and click on split table. See? So what happened? By using split table, split the table into 2 tables. The current row will become the first row of the new table. So that is the option by using split table. So now earlier I had only 1 table, now I have 2 tables because I use. So those are the main options that we can use when we are creating tables. So you can try all these options, because these are the most commonly used options when we are creating tables. There are a few more options to talk about, and there's another thing, that is text direction. So I select this one. You can easily change the direction of the text. Likewise, so see see. Likewise, take direction also you can use in some tables. Some people have used change the direction of the text. Likewise, you can change the direction of text also. So those are the main modifications that we can do. So only few more options left, but I think these are the commonly used options that we are using when we are creating tables. So that's all for today. Hope it's clear for you, and thank you for listening.